Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for the perfect way to discreetly bring your adult beverages with you, then you're gonna wanna try FlasKap.
If you are a cocktail lover and you can't think of going to an event without bringing a little something on the side, then you're going to love this free pour system from FlasKap. It is absolutely ingenious. So, this is a 26-ounce water bottle and it comes with a 6-ounce removable liquor well. So, you just attach this to the cap. You can see it is super tight, it does not spill, and you can alternate between drinking your mixer and your liquor. It is so cool. So you don't have to worry about packing a flask or making an awkward mixed drink on the side. You can just have it all in one place. I really love how it is designed where you can have a full sip of just the liquor, half of both, so you're getting your mixer and your liquor at the same time, or just your mixer. I think it's the perfect thing to pack for a beach day. This is also a great water bottle on its own, even without the added liquor. It is totally a great water bottle, so don't feel that you have to add something to it. I just really love this design and the ingenuity of it. I think it is super cool and would make an amazing gift for someone in your life.
This is my new favorite water bottle, and I am so excited to be able to have my drink with me wherever I need to. I love FlasKap. You're gonna wanna try it, and that's my point of view.